One of the glories of Delray Beach is Old School Square. The historic buildings that we've preserved, the art and culture that entertains and enlightens our citizens and our visitors. One of the things I would love to do there, take the garage and literally tear down the south wall, because behind that south wall is basically nothing. It could become incubator space. It could be restaurants. It could be art. We could move the green market in there during the days. We could have a brewery in there. There's so much activation that we could do. Right now, it is dead space. I believe that is a creative, innovative idea that we can all get around in a unified fashion to make that happen. And it's also something that the private sector could pay for. This doesn't have to be all public funds. This doesn't have to be all grant money that we have to wait for years. This could be a public-private partnership that takes that unused space and uses it to make Old School Square an even more inviting, exciting place to visit.